Got one. Woo! That's a dirty one. Thought I had lost.
That's a big one.
You dropped it. Did I?
One shot up there, miracle.
Holy cow. Walking in this screw trailer now where my uncles are cutting wood for the winter. And we have a little boil up. Little trial and error now, see if she starts better than the old Johnson Ray. Oh, hold there. Yeah. It's 30 less pulls than the Johnson. I think I got Rosie converted, I think. Oh my god. Well, some boil ups is a lot more fun with chainsaws. That was like mid-zoomies.
Timber!
Ah. We put it on the book bag. Alrighty.
We didn't do that.
I'll just stay on the.
Plus, we're warming your seats up for you. Just wants to see what it's like.
Yeah.
This is like.
Is he still talking about a partner?
Now, what a spot to set a rabbit slip.
Was he there?
Yeah.
We brought some hot water in a thermos too.
That's the point. That's the whole.
I know, it's so.
I got forks and we ate steak and.
Hard to dip. It's no cop.
Down.
What?
Here.
No, it's okay.
But
My
no,
head-
you got. I gave you in your
Yeah.
stocking a
Oh my
match
goodness.
holder.
Well, he is.
You looks like a fella needs help. There, watch.
Yes,
Let me show you something.
Yeah,
Come on.
you show me.
Watch, just watch. Just watch. Now look what.
Yeah, that's what we.
Oh!
Yeah,
Yeah,
Law. Pride comes before fall, I tell you.
that's biblical.
Pride comes before fall.
He was like, I'm gonna show you now.
There you go, Massey. Show the works of us.
Yeah.
Because
I almost let you go, Andrew. I'm not gonna lie. I don't see it. I don't know what you're
boys, I even brought hot chocolate and Bologna.
We got Bologna.
And coffee.
You're right. 100%.
All right.
For your.
We got the kettle on there.
Wait now.
So she said more than one, but she's still soaking.
You steeped it too long.
But you take a bit of gravel and put it in your mouth.
Probably 3.
That's what all of tastes
Yeah,
like.
you want a lot of.
Oh, I can't
Are we
wait
doing
to
two?
eat the bacon.
Are we putting 2 packs on?
Yes.
I'm using it and you kind of need to. Is that working?
At this moment in this video, we're going to take a moment to talk about our sponsor for this video, which is Raycons.
Second,
No,
good
I'm
job.
trying to be honest here.
Is there like a playoff?
You never.
I never.
Like,
I find
no, bacon in the oven. Oh, so good.
Put on a stick, wrap it around, so you can do whatever. So better than me.
we got the bacon on the cook, and we got the. We're gonna get the Toutons on the go here now, because Rosie's hungry, and we need to get them fed.
Any water,
Look how hungry I am after all that. You got his fingers chewed off.
I'm sorry, man.
I got
Some of your bacon grease. Yeah, bacon grease, make sure you should do. Bacon is done.
Sorry, that's okay. My bum is too big. Probably $1.99, but I only get one free, so you get two.
So $1.
Dollar.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Okay. Where can I put the hot
Watch this here, babe. Throw it in the stove, mate. Need to get a picture.
You can't grab onto it.
I'm cutting this one in half.
Alright, let's form a line or something there.
Here, left. Put some on my plate for me.
What do you want, Mom? Skidoo there. Yes, we use it every day. Oh. No, we can't let waste that every day.
What did you say about Skidoo?
Alright, I'm gonna get.
Still dry.
Okay, I'm gonna get me on yes, so you can get some.
Oh,
There you go. Toutons, bacon, and beans and bologna.
Says you should take it now.
what?
Molasses.
I'm good. You Vienna sauce with it?
Almost a bed. Good job on the Toutons.
Good job, bud. What's going on here now? Which one are we looking
Just
at?
look at my
GoPro?
cat. Look at my cat. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay.
Okay.
I'll cut that in.
I think I blinked.
I'm holding his hand so we don't.
We just finished a good lunch, and it was delicious. And now we're getting ready to head out. Well, that does it for another video. It was a smaller one, but managed to get out and have a little boil up, and it's delicious. Traditional Newfoundland grub. You can't beat it. The fleet's leaving now. That was a good little trip. We all took our wives in and had a nice Newfoundland boil up. Had the kettle on, I had chocolate and tea and coffee, and then we broke out the Toutons and the bacon and the bologna and beans. So it was all delicious, and we'll definitely do it again. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Just want to take a quick second to shout out a local Newfoundland YouTube channel, Newfound Adventures. Make sure you go check them out, and don't forget to click subscribe.